What is Six Sigma really about? You've probably heard people throw that term around like it's some kind of secret business code, right? Maybe you've seen job listings asking for Six Sigma certification, or managers bragging that their company runs on Six Sigma principles. But what does it actually mean? And why do people say it's so powerful? Let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense. No jargon, no textbook talk. Six Sigma is basically about one thing: making things better by getting rid of problems. That's it. At its core, Six Sigma is a structured way to improve how a business or process works. Imagine you run a coffee shop. You notice customers are waiting too long in line, and sometimes their orders come out wrong. Six Sigma gives you the tools to figure out why that's happening and how to fix it permanently. It's not about guessing or blaming people. It's about using data and logic to solve the problem. The name Six Sigma sounds fancy, but it really just refers to a level of quality that's almost perfect. Statistically speaking, Six Sigma quality means only about 3.4 mistakes per million opportunities. That's nearly flawless performance. Think about that. Out of a million transactions, only 3 or 4 would go wrong. That's the level of precision Six Sigma aims for, and it's why companies like Toyota, GE, and Amazon have used it to save billions of dollars over the years. Now, Six Sigma follows a simple, step-by-step approach called DMAIC: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. First, you define the problem clearly. What's broken? What needs fixing? Then you measure it. You collect data so you actually know what's happening, not just what people think is happening. Next, you analyze that data to find the root cause. You improve the process by removing those causes. And finally, you control the process to make sure the problem doesn't come back. It's kind of like going to the doctor. You wouldn't want your doctor to guess what's wrong and hand you random medicine, right? You'd want them to test, analyze, and then treat the actual issue. That's what Six Sigma does for businesses. It diagnoses the process, finds the true cause of the problem, and fixes it for good. But here's the part that surprises most people. Six Sigma isn't just for manufacturing or big corporations anymore. It's used in hospitals to reduce medical errors. It's used in government to improve public services. Even small businesses use it to cut waste, save time, and keep customers happy. Anywhere there's a process, there's room for Six Sigma to make it better. And you don't have to be a math genius or a CEO to use it. Six Sigma certification teaches regular professionals how to think critically, analyze data, and make decisions based on facts, not gut feelings. Once you understand it, you start to see problems differently. You stop saying, "That's just how it is," and start asking, "How can we make it better?" That's the mindset of a Six Sigma thinker. So, what is Six Sigma really about? It's not just about numbers, charts, or fancy titles. It's about improvement. It's about solving problems in a smart, structured way that actually works. It's about transforming chaos into clarity and frustration into efficiency. When you understand Six Sigma, you stop accepting mediocrity and start expecting excellence. If you're serious about improving your career or your organization, learning Six Sigma might just be one of the smartest moves you can make. And once you see how it works, you'll never look at the word problem the same way again.